My dear learners, how are you now? I am Soso. Now let us start our lesson. What was the lesson yesterday and what was the homework yesterday? I knew from you that the lesson was narration and the homework was what is differences between parts of speech and narration. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. He is a good boy. He is a good boy is a sentence or it is also speech. He is a good boy is a sentence and also a speech. Here he is a word, is a verb, a is an article, good is a word, also it is an adjective, and boy is a common noun. Here he is a word and it is a part of this speech. Part of this speech or part of this sentence. Is also a part of this sentence. In the same way, a is an article and also a word. It is also a part of this speech. Good is an adjective. It is a word and it is also a part of speech. Boy is a common noun. Boy is a word and it is also a part of speech or a sentence. It is a part of a sentence. Good is a part of a sentence. Boy is a part of a sentence. A is a part of a sentence. Is a part of a sentence. And he is also a part of a sentence. These are all words. And these words are parts of speech. And he is a good boy. Every words. Definition, what is parts of speech? Definition, every word is a part of speech is called parts of speech. Every word of a sentence is called part of speech. Every word of a sentence is called part of speech. Now narration. this is piece and this is piece is same. This is piece and this is piece is same. Is piece meaning is kotha. Now narration. Narration oblique speech. Narration, this narration, this is speech. Narration is a noun. It's and narrate is a verb. Narration has come from verb narrate. Another way, speech is a noun and speak is a verb. And speech has come from verb speak. Dear learners, you can write down it in your khata. Wow. Narration. Narration is a verb. Narration is a narration is a narration is a noun and narrate. Narration. Narration is a noun and narrate is a verb. This narration has come from the verb narrate. Narrate verb and narration is come from this has come from this narrate verb. Another way is this. come from the verb speak. Now, speech is a noun and speak is a verb. Now, speech has come from the verb speak. Speech has come from the verb speak. Speech speak verb থেকে Now, definition of narration. What is called narration? That means what is called narration? What is called narration? The answer. The speech public narration of a speaker is called speech Dear learners, what is speech or narration? Answer: the speech public narration of a speaker. The speech of a speaker, public narration, is called speech or public narration. You can write down it in your khata. I repeat it. What is narration? The narration is the speech or narration of a speaker. Is called speech or narration. I also again repeat it. The speech of a speaker, the speech or narration of a speaker is called narration or speech. Again I repeat it. The speech or narration of a speaker is called speech or narration. Kinds. How many kinds of narration? Kinds. Number one, number two. Number one is direct direct narration, oblique speech, shortly. Number 2 is direct, indirect, narration, oblique speech. The meaning of direct narration. Direct means প্রত্যক্ষ. Narration means ukti. Indirect means indirect narration. প্রত্যক্ষ ukti. Definition of direct narration: what the speaker says directly. What the speaker says directly is called direct narration. What the speaker says directly is called direct narration. Again I repeat it. What the speaker says directly is called direct narration. You can write down it in your khata. What the speaker says directly is called direct narration. You can write down it in your khata. Directly. What the speaker says directly means sorashari. What the speaker says directly is called direct narration. Examples. Inverted comma, I am a. Now, indirect narration. Indirect means porokho. Narration means ukti. Indirect means porokho ukti. Indirect narration. Speech. Porokho. Indirect narration means porokho. Definition: what? Words the speaker says indirectly. Indirectly is called indirect narration. Narration. Dear learners, the definition of indirect narration: what the speaker says indirectly is called indirect narration. What the speaker says indirectly indirectly, parokkhobhabe, is called indirect action. Examples. He says that. He says that. He is good. Now, dear students, the time is over. No more today. Thank you very much.